Twisting someone's arm. Unraveling idioms in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, twist someone's arm. If you're eager to expand your idiom knowledge and sound like a native speaker, you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it in conversation, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. When you hear someone say they had to twist someone's arm, they're not talking about physical force or causing someone pain. Instead, this phrase is a figurative way to say that they had to persuade or convince someone to do something they were initially reluctant or hesitant to do. It's all about applying a bit of pressure or influence to get someone to agree with a proposal or participate in an activity. Using idioms like twist someone's arm can add color and personality to your conversations. Here are a few tips on how to use it effectively. Context is key. Make sure the conversation is informal and the context is appropriate for using idioms. Tone of voice. Since this phrase involves persuasion, your tone can convey whether it's a friendly nudge or a more serious request. Combine with real-life examples. When explaining that you convinced someone, you might say, "I had to twist his arm a bit, but he finally agreed to come to the party." To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how twist someone's arm might be used in everyday language. In persuasion, "I didn't want to go to the concert, but Jenna twisted my arm, and I'm glad she did. It was amazing." In decision-making, we were all unsure about the decision, so our manager had to twist our arms to get us on board with the new project. Understanding and using idioms like twist someone's arm can greatly enhance your English communication skills, making your speech more colorful and natural. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice and real-life application. So, don't hesitate to use them in your conversations. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.